Namaskar, I'm Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. So friend, today we are going to discuss about section 88 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 88 of the Indian Penal Code is about any act done with consent and in good faith for the benefit of the person who has consented, but it may cause any harm or any grievous hurt or may lead to death of the person, then what would be the criminal liability? So we will be discussing in this video about section 88 of the Indian Penal Code. But before that, I want to request all of you that if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell button to get the notification of all the updates. And I also request you to please check out my YouTube channel page, because there are lots of playlists in both Hindi as well as in English on different issues like legal drafting, CRPC, IPC. So there are very knowledgeable and informative videos over there, so please check it out. Now coming back to the topic, section 88 of the Indian Penal Code. So before analyzing section 88 of the Indian Penal Code, let us read what is given, what is the provision under section 88 of the Indian Penal Code. So section 88 of the Indian Penal Code says, act not intended to cause death done by consent in good faith for person benefit. So any act which is done in the person benefit, not intended to cause harm or death. Nothing which is not intended to cause death is an offense by reason of any harm. If clearly it is the provision which is given, nothing which is not intended to cause death is an offense by reason of any harm which it may cause or be intended by the doer to cause, or to be known by the doer to be likely to cause to any person for whose benefit it is done in good faith, and who has given a consent, whether expressed or implied, to suffer that harm or to take the risk of that harm. So it is clearly given, and particularly it is applicable for any surgeon who is doing any surgery. Let's say if Mr. A came to the doctor, to a surgeon, and saying that he has a pain in his chest, and the surgeon says that he may have to take a surgery to cure that pain, and the person A also consented. But during that surgery, and it is known also that if somebody is opening the chest, if the doctor is opening the chest, there is a chances, even if there is 1% chance, but still it is 1%. There is a 1% chance that it may lead to death or grievous injury. So there is 1% chance that the patient may die. So even then, if the patient dies, then whether the surgeon is liable for any criminal act, so certainly he is not. And there is a defense that he has given consent and the doctor was doing in good faith for the benefit of the patient. However, the patient died. Now there is another thing, that if a doctor the patient has given consent for his heart surgery, and the doctor took the kidney out of his stomach, then obviously it is a criminal act, because the patient has only consented for his heart surgery, but the doctor cut the kidney out of his stomach. So again it will be a criminal offense. But so far only the heart surgery is concerned, and there is a risk and the person is taking that risk, but despite the best effort by the surgeon, if the person dies, the surgeon would not be liable for any negligence on his part. So this is all about section 88 of the Indian Penal Code. So please write to us about this video. If you want to make if you want to make a request for any other video, you can write it in the comment box, and please like and share it with your friends and colleagues. I will be coming again with another video. Till then, take care. Namaskar.